Hello, welcome to my channel. To understand all the points, you'd better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed toward peculiar sky. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creating some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within couple of minutes, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. On my second channel, Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments.